time for crab, but not for eating. Let's just explore their world for now. Broadly speaking, a crab is a member of the infraorder Brachyura, which includes almost 100 families and about 7,000 species. There are other animals called crabs, but those are not true crabs. It's just that this body plan is so good, animals keep evolving into crabs. Crabs have 10 legs, with the 2 front noses sporting big claws. Males tend to have bigger ones. Crabs have articulations that allow them to walk faster when going sideways rather than forward. Like mini crustaceans, crabs have their head fused to their thorax. But they also have a small abdomen tucked underneath. So crabs are kinda like a big body with legs. Like pretty much every arthropod, insects, spiders, crustaceans, etc., crabs have a hard shell that can't grow, so they need to shed it once in a while. We call this process molting. The animal will weaken its current shell, take in lots of water, and expand to crack it. It will then remove itself from the husk over the course of hours. What comes out is a pretty soft creature, so it tends to hide for a couple days until a new, bigger shell has formed from its outer layer. In some species, the female will mate after molting, but the male has to be hard to mate. Anyway, they put their bellies together and the male deposits a sperm, which the female can store for a long time. When she fertilizes her eggs, she lays them, then keeps them on her abdomen with a sticky secretion. The babies will usually float in the water among plankton. Some can live off their egg yolk for a while, but most species will need to find actual food like algae. One thing that helps crabs grow fast is their varied diet. They'll eat mollusks, worms, fungi, smaller crustaceans, and lots of algae. Surprisingly, many crab species have complex social behaviors. They'll share food and protect each other, but they'll also fight over females and hidey holes. Well, the non-burrowing ones will. Crabs have been with us since the Jurassic period, over 145 million years ago. They have diversified into many shapes and habitats. In tropical areas, there will be many land crabs, but even those start their lives in the water. It can be the sea or even fresh water. I think a little over 10% of crab species live in non-salty water. There are big crabs. The biggest one is probably the Japanese spider crab, with a leg span of about 4 meters. Contrast this with the pea crab, who is just a few millimeters wide. Imagine that, Flitty eating a crab whole. Well, it is a kind of a crunchy bug, so